Bakit kulang kayo sa oras? Busy ka ba talaga o talagang hindi ka lang productive? I remember Remy, my coaching client, who is a catering business owner with 6 employees. And you know, her usual complaint? Mami En, kulang ang oras namin. Everyone's overworked pero parang hindi naman kami productive. Minsan, nagkakaroon pa ng miscommunication sa orders at napipilitan kaming mag-overtime. Alam mo anak, hindi makakakilos ng maayos ang mga tao kung magulo ang organization. You see, when your team is small, everyone wears multiple hats. And so, you need to be smart about it. So, ang ginawa ni Remy, first of all, we identified the most profitable menu items. And then, we audited their time use. Nako, 40% pala ng wasted sa non-essential tasks. So, I advised her to create clear roles. Designate a booking person, head cook per event, and prep team. And they used standard recipes and checklists para hindi na kailangang i-check ni Remy lahat. And lastly, they set specific time for meetings at saka client calls. Now, the lesson is this. Hindi laging kailangan ng maraming tao para maging successful ang isang negosyo. Remember, kailangang may maayos na time management and clear na systems. Kapag alam ng bawat team member ang role nila at may efficient processes, kayang-kaya ninyong maibigay ang quality service kahit na maliit lang ang team. Remember, productivity is not about doing more things. It's about doing the right things well. Your team can outperform much larger ones when their time is used strategically. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.